planet? Children, this is the quiz session about the sun, moon and stars. So children, get ready to solve some interesting questions. So children, today we will start with the first activity, that is fill in the blanks. So children, I'll read the sentence for you and you have to guess the answer from the given options in the bracket. So we'll start with the first one. Dash is the planet closest to the sun. Yes children, see the options. Is it Mercury or Jupiter? Which is the closest planet? Yes children, yes, Mercury. Mercury is the planet closest to the sun and Jupiter is the largest planet. Okay children, now the next one. The huge holes on the moon are called as dash. Yes children, what are the huge holes on the moon called as? Are they called as stars or craters? Yes, the huge holes on the moon are called as craters. Now the next one. A dash is an object that moves around the planet. Yes children, what moves around the planet? Is it satellite or telescope? Yes children, we studied about this. Yes, it is a satellite. A satellite is an object that moves around the planet. Okay children, now the next one. The different shapes of the moon are called dash of the moon. What are they called as? Are they called as phases or cubes? Yes, the different shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. Okay, now the next one. Our earth is a dash. Yes children, our earth is the only living planet or satellite. Yes, our earth is a planet on which we live. Alright children, now the next one. Dash is the largest planet of the solar system. Yes children, we discussed about it just now. Is it Jupiter or Neptune? Yes, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. Alright, now the next one. Dash is the lightest planet of the solar system. Yes children, is it Mars or Saturn? It's very simple. Yes, Saturn. Saturn is the lightest planet of the solar system. Okay children, I hope you are clear with this activity. Now we will move on to the next activity. That is multiple choice questions. Alright children, so we will start with the first one. You have to guess the correct answer from the given options. Either it will be A or B. Okay, so I'll read the first sentence for you. The dash looks like a big white ball in the dark sky. Yes children, is it A, moon or B, sun? What looks like a big white ball in the dark sky? Yes, it is the moon. So A is the correct answer. Okay, children. Now the next one. Dash is the third planet from the sun. So which is the third planet from the sun? Is it A, Venus, or B, Earth? Yes, it is our Earth. Our Earth is the third planet from the sun. So B is the correct answer. Now the next one. There is no dash in the sky at night. Yes, children. Is it A, sun, or B, moon? Yes. There is no sun in the sky at night. We can see only moon and stars in the sky at night. So A is the correct answer. Okay, children. Now the next one. The moon is dash kilometers away from the earth. So how many kilometers away is the moon from the earth? Is it A, 9,48,343, or is it B, 3,84,403? Yes, the correct answer is B. The moon is 3,84,403 kilometers away from the earth. Okay, children. Now the next one. In the phases of the moon, day 14 is called as dash moon. Yes, children. What is it called as? Is it a full moon or a half moon? Yes, children. Yes. In the phases of the moon, day 14 is called as full moon. Right? So A is the correct answer. Try to recall, children. We studied in the lesson that day 1 is the new moon, day 7 is the half moon, on day 14 it is full moon, on day 21 it is half moon, and on day 28 it is new moon. Right? Okay? So I hope you are clear with this activity. Let's move on to the next activity. Give one word for the following. Yes, children? I'll read the sentence for you and you have to guess the answer in just one word. Okay? So let's start with the first one. The instrument used to look at the moon and the stars. So, what will be the answer? Try to guess the answer. Which instrument we use to look at the moon and the stars and the planets? Yes, very good. It is a telescope. Right? Okay. Now the next one. The huge ball of fire that gives us heat and light. Yes, children, it's very simple. What is the huge ball of fire that gives us heat and light? Yes, it is the sun. Right? Okay. Now the next one. The planet we live on. Yes, children. On which planet we live? We live on a living planet. What is the name of that living planet? Yes, we live on Earth, and our Earth is a planet, right? Now the next one, a group of stars that forms a pattern in the sky. What is it called as? What is a group of stars that forms a pattern in the sky called as? Yes, it is called constellation. Right? Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Huge holes on the moon's surface. Yes, children, we saw the picture in the lesson. What are the huge holes on the moon's surface called as? Yes, they are called as craters. Right? Okay. Now the next one. Round objects that move around the sun in fixed orbits. Yes, children? What moves around the sun in fixed orbits? Our Earth also moves around the sun in fixed orbits. Right? Yes, children, I gave you a hint. Yes, planets. Planets are the round objects that move around the sun in fixed orbits. Okay, children? Is it clear to you? Alright. Now, we will move on to the next activity. That is, mark a tick or cross. Okay, children. So read carefully. Read all the sentences carefully and guess whether the sentence is right or wrong. So we will mark a tick for the right sentence and cross for the wrong sentence. Alright? So we will start with the first one. The sun is actually a star. So, is it the right sentence? Do we call sun a star? Yes. We will mark a tick. The sun is actually a star. Okay, children? Now the next one. Moonlight is actually the light of the sun. Is this the right sentence? Yes. Very good. Moonlight is actually the light of the sun. Because moon does not give light, or moon does not have light of its own. Okay, children? Now the next one. The moon takes 35 days to go around the earth once. So, is it the right sentence? Is it the correct one? Does moon take 35 days to go around the earth? No. This is the wrong sentence. What we studied in the lesson, the moon takes 29 days to go around the earth. It is not 35 days. It takes 29 days. Okay, children? Now the next one. The earth is a satellite. Yes, children? Is it the right sentence? No. This is the wrong sentence. The earth is a planet, not a satellite. Moon is the satellite and Moon is the satellite of which planet? Yes, it is a satellite of our Earth. Okay? So is this clear to you? Alright. So I hope that you enjoyed the quiz session about the sun, moon and the stars. Okay children? So we'll meet in the next session. Alright? Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying. Thank you.